Hey guys, today I'm going to talk to you all about a new skincare product that I've been using from the skincare range Homepeel. They specialise in salon quality treatments that you can do yourself at home. Now prior to using these products, be sure to exfoliate your skin to ensure that you get the best results. Using the provided gloves, mix a little of the lotion with the green herbs in a bowl. Then, using your hands or a clean brush, gently apply the skin peel to your facial area and leave on for around 5 minutes. Wash it off with cold water and pat dry. For the next 5 days, try and keep your skin super dry. Peeling should start in the next 2 to 3 days. So I really enjoyed using this product. I can already feel that my skin is softer and it's glowing. So be sure to rejuvenate your skin with Homepeel.